Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix cannot connect to iTunes Store. So guys, if you are trying to open your iTunes Store or you are trying to download apps from your iTunes Store and you are unable to use your iTunes Store because the error appears here that cannot connect to iTunes Store, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, for that, drag down your control center, and from here check if your internet connection is working properly. So as if your internet connection is working properly but still you are facing this problem, then you will have to change your internet connection. So as if you are using Wi-Fi, then try your mobile data, and if you are using mobile data, then use your Wi-Fi, and after this check whether the problem is fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other one, that is you will have to disconnect the connected VPN in your device. So for that, open up settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, and again scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you will have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So as if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. So if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to update your iTunes Store in your App Store. So guys, open your App Store, and from here you will have to simply download the latest version of iTunes in your device. So as after this, check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other one, that is you will have to open up settings, and from here again tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. So I tap on this, give here your passcode for your iPhone and reset your network settings in your device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.